Welcome back, guys. So today we are doing the rear tail light switchback. Never done this before, but looks pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna explain how to do it. We're gonna see if we do it right, and then I'll show you the outcome and how everything turns out. Okay, so we're gonna start off. I'm gonna take the caps off. Already did that. Make things a little simple for you guys. Took these off. We're probably gonna have to disconnect them, and I'm probably gonna have to open the directions for this and see how to work it. So, talk to you guys later. Okay, so we got everything out. So I'm gonna explain to you guys real quick what it's gonna do. So right now we got. So right now we got these yellow incandescent bulbs. They don't really look that good, and we're gonna change it so this light right here, this running light, is gonna be act as a signal as well. Got it? Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is gonna go back in the behind that tail light, and there's this white plastic plug. We're gonna unplug this like that, and then we got this one right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect this right here, and then we're gonna plug this into the back. Should click in. It's in place now. And then we'll plug this right here into here. The female with the male. Everything clicked in. Now what we're gonna do is we have this resistor right here. It should have some adhesive at the back. Actually, it doesn't. Anyways, we're gonna have to mount this somewhere along here. That way it's not in our way. And we're gonna repeat the steps on the other side, same way. So real quick, I'm gonna show you guys the difference between the two. Show you the difference. So now instead of this yellow one, we got this entire LED strip lighting up. There's a turn signal. Pretty cool.
The next day.
We just woke up a little bit early today, and Kevin's gonna be coming by with the Genesis, and we're gonna go drive and drop off the car at a shop. He's gonna get the Switchback headlight mod done, and he's going to be getting HID bulbs and everything installed into the car as well. We would have done it ourselves and done an install video for you guys, but we haven't had time. He's going to work today, so we're a little busy. But we're gonna show you guys before and after clips of it, and we're gonna bring you guys along for the drive and the cruise over there, and we'll see how it goes. We're gonna go warm up the car real quick while we're waiting for Kevin. Okay, so this is my daily driver. 2005 BMW 330 Ci ZHP package. A little low on gas right now. We're gonna have to go fill up. Here's a little bit. A little cold start. What's the place called?
BTR.
Okay, we're going to BTR.
Blood type racing.
The new Switchback taillights. What do you guys think? I think it's a better look now. Instead of the yellow, it's got the full brake light. I like it. Right. Gonna give us a little noise. Let's hear that blow valve. Look at that smile on his face. Here we are. Over here. Okay, so this is everything that's going to be installed today. We got LED bulbs. These are what for
Switchbacks.
switchbacks. So these are the bulbs that can be used for switchbacks. Full HID kit. That's a lot of stuff. But we'll show you the outcome because right now the headlights are pretty whack and they need to be fixed. Where'd you get? This kit is from Diode Dynamics, right? Yeah. So the kit's from Diode Dynamics. So you guys can check it out, and we'll show you what it looks like at the end. Switchback running lights.
Wait, this is only for donuts?
LED bulbs.
My car back here with some donuts.
Here, put the hazards on real quick.
Yeah, they're bright because they're LED, that's why. Well, what, the hazards?
Yeah. Damn. That's cool, the switchbacks.
I need to hear this block though.
We're just keep going. Is he gonna fit?
So we got the HID kit installed, and we got the switchback headlights, LED. Looks clean. What do you think?
Unique. Gotta go home. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna follow you.
Right. Okay, so we ran into a little problem. So basically he had the switchback LED lights installed for the running lights slash turning signals. Basically switches from yellow to white, back and forth. Anyways, so since it's LED, now the car has Hyperblink. So when I turn the signal on, it's blinking way too fast. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to remove the headlight and install a resistor kit. You're usually gonna have to do this anytime you install LED bulbs onto any headlights that are not originally LED. So we'll take off both of the headlights first. It'll be easier for us since we have the front bumper off. So we'll remove these headlights and then we're gonna find out what wires need to be tapped into and spliced so we can have the resistor installed. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make this easy for everybody. That way we can all get this done and make it simple. Okay, so we have to connect to basically the fog lights, the turning signals. So what we're gonna do is we have brown, this is the driver's side. We have a brown wire, which is the 4th pin. So pink, red, yellow, brown. So we're gonna tap into that first. So we have the connector right here. Gonna slide this wire over it. Okay, so now
Still another side to do.
compress this metal pin. Make sure that they're all secure. Everything is in place. Bravo. And now we will fold right here and clip that in place. So now we have to go to pin 7. So we have 4 going here, and then we have 5, 6, 7. It's a black wire right next to the orange wire. Which is this wire right here. Okay. Push down on the middle connector. Make sure the wire's in place. Okay. Push down on it. Okay, let's make sure they're in place. They're good. You flick this back into place. We're gonna have to mount. This diode somewhere. We'll figure it out. And then now, if we plug in this to the headlight. Plugged in. Okay, we're just gonna put this in resting over here, and we'll turn on the signal. Okay.
Where the fuck did you get a lunch?
And now there is no more Hyperblink.
What about the left side? All right, left side.
Well, it's still gonna have it. We haven't installed that one, so that's the before and after. Just like that. So now we'll repeat the steps on this side. And this side will be, again, pin 4, as well as pin 7. And pin 4, I believe, is, here, wait. Record real quick, man. So, we're going to be repeating the steps now on the passenger side. And this time, it's going to be, again, pin 4. This time, again, it's going to be pin 4 and pin 7 for the connector. I already have this disconnected. So, in this case, pin 4 will be a green wire, and then again, pin 7 will be a black wire, which will be right next to a white wire. So, now, whoever needs to know, this is how you install a resistors on a Genesis when you have Hyperblink.